Okay guys, welcome back. In the previous video we were checking on Hyliion and we set these top and bottom lines, the highs and lows, although we ignore a few levels in order to have a bit of a channel that it's more realistic, so closer to the after the hype, let's see, as it was getting a bit more stable. And I decided to see, shall I buy some or not? I realized actually that I had some Hyliion already in my portfolio, and there you have it, 12 shares, which at the moment are giving a profit of $1. Is nothing, but yeah, but actually I see that it's thinking that the price, it's 44.91, which is no longer the case. So we're at a loss. The system doesn't update correctly. So yeah. So in the previous video, if you watch that one, you will see that we made a calculation how much it would need to go down in order to cross this lower low or low level, and we calculated 6.6% approximately, and at that point we would buy. At that point we were, at that moment, sorry, we were at minus 12. Now we're at minus 14. That happened, I'm telling you, 20 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago. Not even, sorry, we're here. I was checking 15 minutes ago. So in 15 minutes, Hyliion has been went down 2%. That's a big drop. So far, it's, in my opinion, not a good moment to buy. We're in a downtrend. We can see the 50 moving average. We don't even have a 200 moving average because we don't have enough information. If we would try to see the 5-day, it only shows 1 day because it's when the merge happened. The Tortoise Adqquisition, which was had the ticker symbol Shell, changed into Hyln, and that's what we know so far. So we lost the historical data, and at the moment we know that in the previous days there was a big hype around the Tortoise Adqquisition because it was going to merge. So it went up several times, and what I can do actually, I can check that historical data, how much we went up in the last 5 days, let's say, and I will put it in monthly basis. That way we see a broader view, which is what we're missing at the moment, of how Hyliion is doing. I'll put it here, Hyliion. So this is Shell, which is the same company before the merge. This is a SPAC company actually, and what they do is they create these companies. There was one actually, I can't remember the name now, but there was one that was created like 20 years ago, and now was going to start merging with someone. I couldn't believe it. Why would you do that? 20 years ago. I understand that you can do it 1 year ago to speed up the process of the merge and to create some hype around it, but okay, let's see. Here we have it, and if we analyze from this consolidation point, which was a very low level in 1920, let's say 20 to round it up. So from that level, and I'll put the highest peak of that level, to the highest peak, it went up, oh my God, 178, 79. We can round it up at 180. So we went up 180. So far, then it moved around, boom, boom, ups and downs. So the range, let's say the wave, the fluctuation was of 25%, 28 here more or less, went up, down, and now we are falling since the merge, which happened, let's say it was yesterday, and we went down 20%. So I think it would be a good moment to sell, but actually we would be selling at a loss because we we bought it at around this level, 44.91, which is when the what my portfolio is showing. So we would be losing like this drop basically 9%. I'm thinking plus 14. Oh, a big loss. So forget about it. Let's not sell. We hold to it. If you sell a stock, you lose it right away. You know you lose. So if you hold to it, I mean, there might be hope that someday it goes back up. So we learn from our mistakes, and at the end, when you try to trade so many things at the same time, it's normal that at one point you'll forget something. And if you don't put a stop loss, and even if you put a stop loss, look, most of these drop happen in pre-market. So if we check pre-market and we check for, let's see if we have Shell. No, yeah, Shell. Okay, there was not even pre-market yet. Hyln, is it there yet? Okay, pre-market we drop already 10%. And now it says here 11, it's not refreshed, but now we're at 14%. Oh well, that's a lesson to be learned, and now we keep an eye on it in order to buy more shares when it's at the very bottom. We try to grab stocks at the very bottom. The way I normally do it is I use the 1 month view. I'll show it to you with Tesla, and if I go to 1 month view and I clean this up and you take a look at the MACD. Okay, so the MACD was telling me that from this point on, Tesla was going to start going down, and eventually, when these two, the MACD and the signal cross, it will start going up. So far, it has been going up in reality, even though it's in a downtrend based on the MACD. But so far, Tesla has been recovering from that big drop, that big fall they had after Battery Day. So yeah, that's it for today. For this video, it was all about Hyliion and a merge and a SPAC to get a bit more information. So I hope you liked it. Don't forget, this is only my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. So don't do anything I do. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.